Have you ever wondered what happens when you die? Most people believe death is final, a hard stop, the end of everything. But what if it's not? What if, in some strange and mind-bending way, you never actually die at all? You've lived your entire life assuming one simple truth. One day, it will all end. But quantum physics, the science of the very small, suggests that may not be the whole story. Because deep beneath the surface of what we call reality, the universe behaves in ways that defy logic and break the rules of time, space, and even death. At the heart of quantum mechanics is a strange idea called superposition. It means a tiny particle, like an electron or a photon, doesn't have to be in just one state. Instead, it can exist in many states all at once. It can be here and there doing this and that until we observe it. The moment we observe it, the superposition collapses. The particle picks just one outcome, one path, one place, one result. Before that, it's just a cloud of possibilities. So what does this have to do with you? You're made of particles. So is your brain, your thoughts, your entire body. If particles can exist in multiple states until observed, could you, or your life, exist in multiple realities? In 1935, physicist Erwin Schrödinger asked a question so strange it still sparks debate nearly a century later. Imagine this. A cat is placed in a sealed box. Inside, there's a vial of poison connected to a random quantum event. If that event happens, the cat dies. If it doesn't, the cat lives. But until someone opens the box, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. This bizarre scenario is called a quantum superposition. The moment you look, the moment you observe, the cat becomes one or the other, alive or dead. Reality chooses. Now replace the cat with you. What if every time you face death, a car crash, a near miss, a fatal illness, there are versions of you that don't survive, but the only version you ever experience is the one where you do? This is the idea behind quantum immortality. It says that your consciousness might always continue, slipping into the realities where you survive, while all the others fade from your awareness. But is this just science fiction? A wild interpretation of quantum mechanics? Or could it be real? Could it explain those impossible escapes, those moments where you should have died but somehow didn't? And if it is true, what happens to the versions of you that don't survive? So, if quantum immortality is even remotely possible, what does that mean for the life you're living right now? If you're always shifting into the version of reality where you survive, then the real question isn't if you've died, it's how many times. Think about that. If you want to keep exploring the strange science behind reality and uncover the secrets hiding just beneath the surface, make sure to subscribe to Reality Shifting Secrets, because this is just the beginning. And trust me, the next chapter will change how you see everything.